And some biases are good, right? For example, you know that you shouldn't approach to a tiger because that will kill you, right?
Hi everybody, I have another guest today, Kelwin from NILG.AI from Portugal. Thanks Kelvin for joining me here today in Essen.
Thanks, Dennis, for the invitation.
I saw a picture, a political compass for GPTs. Yeah, so this kind of political leaning, and they were asking those different chat GPT and so on questions, and then they would sort them in. And I wasn't even sure if that's a valid thing to do with an AI. What's your understanding? Does that work? And how do we work with that in an industry environment?
Yeah, so most of these LLMs, generative AI tools nowadays, are for general purpose applications, right? It's not, they were not trained for any specific niche, but for the general domain, right? And as such, they were trained on public available data. I mean, on data from the internet mainly. So it's normal that any bias that comes from the general side of the matrix, the general public data, maybe is more leaning towards this side of the political compass. You are asking about political compass because it's something that as a society we measure and track and we get worried about, and some biases are good, right? For example, you know that you shouldn't approach to a tiger because that will kill you, right?
What else would be to consider AI as reliable in an industry world where customers demand clear answers, reliable answers? That is somebody based on blurry data needs to make a very hard decision.
And this is, I believe, most AI projects fail because of lack of engagement and acceptability.